A massive 8.8 magnitude earthquake, sixth strongest in the world, hit Russia's Kamchatka Peninsula this week, triggering tsunami warnings across the Pacific, and waves reached Japan's northern coastline. The event was massive, with Russia, Japan, Alaska, Hawaii, and the entire US West Coast issuing immediate warnings of tsunami. It led to massive evacuations from Russia's far east to Japan, warning people to get away from the coast. The US West Coast saw waves between 2 to 5 feet. Hawaii saw waves up to 1.7 feet. Japan's Hokkaido and other regions saw minor waves and injuries. Now people are returning to homes after the alerts went off. The July 29 Kamchatka earthquake shares the sixth spot for the strongest quake ever measured, tied with 2010 Chile earthquake and the 1906 Ecuador event. In 1960, Chile earthquake of 9.5 magnitude was the worst one, standing at number 1. Second was 9.2 magnitude quake in 1964 in Alaska. Then comes the 2004 earthquake in Indonesia with a magnitude of 9.1. Then the 2011 quake that hit Japan with a magnitude of 9.1. And then comes the Kamchatka earthquake and the Chile and Ecuador earthquake of 2010 and 1906. The damage is done now, but this ignited interest in a chilling prediction from a Japanese manga titled The Future I Saw, authored by artist Ryo Tatsuki, often referred as the new Baba Vanga of Japan. Fans recall that the manga warned of disaster in July 2025, and where the exact date passed without an incident, the earthquake has now sparked new online debate and conspiracy theories. This book, published in 1999, shows Tatsuki's depiction of a July 2025 disaster, particularly on July 5. But there was no major incident that happened on that day. But this earthquake brought the discussion back, with fans claiming that the timing might not be precise, but the month and the year was. What do you think about this? Let us know in the comments, and like, share and subscribe to ET Now for more such news and views. I will see you in the next week.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.